Hey guys!
1 hour later.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Okay.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Since it's a Wednesday, I thought of doing.
Eventually.
Hey guys, it's Kanishka here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought of doing like a DIY inspired by Mean Girls. So I printed this t-shirt by myself. Turns out to be super cute and super inexpensive. So if you also want to try it, keep watching the video. Like the video if you like what you see, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! So firstly, you need a bird book printable. I'll mention the link of this one in the bio below so you can check it out. You need to mirror image it and trace it as it is on a sandpaper. Once you've traced it, you need to color it with either crayons or oil pastels.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is like a really time-consuming process, but this is also the most important one, so we cannot definitely skip it. Now once your template is ready, you need to take your t-shirt. So I've cropped my t-shirt because it was a little longer for me, but you can definitely skip this part. Place the template where you want your design to be printed and take your iron. You need to iron it for like a minute or so depending upon your design. And voila! Your t-shirt is ready!